Let's try to trace this lamp, okay? As you can see, this lamp casts a very soft glow on the wall, and even reflection in the window. Right? No way, they just like that. It's really amazing. Wait. Before and after. Everything in one click. Wow. Add a virtual light in image. So here you can see I have a cursor here that represents a point light. And it's moving around them cameras. But better yet, it is also 3D. So we can move it inward and put it backwards. So since it's almost Halloween, let's put it on use on some Halloween images. Make it spooky. It's just gonna sit there. So we do have a pumpkin here. Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm talking about. You know, everybody's waiting for a pumpkin, I think. So now we can let's drop the light over here. How about that? Okay, we can run a relight. Now it looks like emits light from there. And I'll just do a quick comparison to see the effect. Wow, it's Medwookie. And we did try to, in order to offer an interactive viewing experience, we did pre-computed a number of images to relight the entire space, which means I can move the light around. So you can say, no way, no way, no way, no way, and a JPEG, no way, I don't understand. Yeah, and my favorite part of this show is this. I'll put the light here and slowly push it. Now, let me show you another facet I like to add to the scene of health kits. That's cute. Now, I'm going to turn them to 3D because apparently their viewpoint also don't match with the background. And after I have the 3D shape, I'll be able to freely adjust the camera. Wow. Now, I can turn them to face away, right? So it looks like they are walking toward the house. Or I can turn them around. So it looks like they just got their candy and they are leaving the house. Wow. Instead of looking to the left, let's make it scarier. So here, I have segmented the herret and turned it into a 3D stage. Now don't make it gloomy. Now I can make it, now we're direction one. Hello. Let me just turn it to a front-facing view on the top scale. Unbelievable. Is he looking at us, or love the tech, hate the bird? Love that. All right, now the bird is looking right about. Now you get choices. All this is made possible with Kodak Turnstile. Thank you. Wow. So after she watched the footage, there were a couple of things that she wishes she could change. So one of the things was the way she said, at Adobe. So that's known as an up talk, where the inflection goes up at the end and it sounds like a question. So traditionally, the only way to fix something like that would be to reshoot it. But now we can just go to the transcript panel and I can just choose at Adobe and then select no way, regenerates. They're gonna make her un-Wisconsinite. Yeah, exactly. So let's give that a listen. Hello, I'm a user researcher in my 5th year at Adobe. Wow, I first moved to Seattle and 20s. I like the car in there, but I don't think the color of the paint quite works. So let's select it to change it. Of course, if I use object selection, it selects the objects, including the windows, the wheels. So that's not what I need. Instead, let's maybe try color range selection. Here we go. Okay, so now it selects the paint, but it missed a lot of regions with reflections, and the background's a mess, so that's probably not what I need either. What I need is a tool that can select surfaces. Like it understands that this paint is a single surface regardless of reflection or highlights. And well, that's where Project Surface Swap comes in. With just one click, I could select the so I can get the paint. This one click. Now I can do what I want with it. For example, change the color because I don't like this one, the yellow. I like blue cars. No. So I'm gonna make this one blue. And here we're still at the full original resolution, right? Like this is just an adjustment layer. So if you prefer your car a different color, no problem.